this camp, I really played a big role in like my summer.
One of my favorite parts was doing augmented reality.
When we think about place-based learning, we think about 5 primary modes of engagement. First, there's connection, and that is just becoming connected to Mill Creek as a body of water, as the land around it. We also allow them to investigate the creek. And we do that with science, mostly scientific practices. Then we have the kids interrogate issues of fairness around the creek. And then the 5th dimension is action. And so here we're at the Curve Center, and the children tonight will present their stories. They created digital stories about Mill Creek. And they'll be able to feel like they have some agency in educating people about the creek.
Our research design is called a qualitative ethnography, so that basically means we're setting up a culture and we're setting up experiences for our students, and we're seeing what they do in them and what kinds of science people they become. And one thing I've learned, or I guess been enjoying, is how the students always surprise me with the genius and the ideas that they bring to the experiences that we set up for them.
Working with the campers on this project has been just super fulfilling for me as a teacher and as a scientist. Getting to see their minds approach nature and approach natural and environmental sciences from such an excited lens has really brought me a lot of joy. And then I've also loved getting to work with other Peabody alums.
One of the most fascinating theoretical contributions from this project has been Heidi's work around identity play, and it has helped me see youth STEM identity in really expansive ways. And in this project, I was able to kind of uncover some of my own research interests as well, related to place-based learning and how we can involve youth as agentic designers of places.
I think something that gets overlooked when we're talking about this summer camp is that the students get to come to Vanderbilt for one of the days. And that really unlocks something for the kids. They realize that, wow, I can do this when I grow up. This is something that I can do. This is something that I can be.
The only way that we are going to be able to make a positive change in the world is with students and adults that care deeply about it and want to do something about it. And I think that has been the most fundamental thread for this camp, is reconnecting humans and their sense of place and the natural world. We were able to do that through the work on the project, and I think that that is going to raise and lead to these campers being better environmentally conscious individuals, environmental advocates, and change makers.